Hey, how's it going, man?
UPS, is it a stop, sir? What's your speed?
Speed?
Yes, sir. You have your driver license?
Sure. How fast was I going?
75, sir.
75, ready? Okay.
Yeah. Is there an emergency, sir, or anything like that?
Is that an emergency?
Yeah.
Where?
No, I'm asking you that if you have an emergency or anything like that.
Do I have an emergency?
And vehicle insurance, Mr.
Can you verify it with the tag?
With the tag?
Yeah, I have it on my email.
On your email?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let me check. I can check for you.
Okay. If you cannot verify it, I'll.
For the insurance?
Yeah.
Okay. It is insured, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. And the kids back here, they're yours, sir?
That's irrelevant to the stop, man.
Give me a chance. I'll be right back. You've never had a Texas driver license or anything like that?
I don't answer questions, man.
Yeah, but you ever got your Texas driver license?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, give me a chance. I'll be right back.
All right, man.
Mr. Rincon, Estrada Rincon, right?
Yes, sir.
The vehicle is under.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's not your middle name or anything like that, right?
No, it's not.
Okay. And do you have your social security number?
Yes, I do.
Alright, sir. Could you write it there for me?
What?
The social security?
Oh, no, I don't need to provide that information.
You need to provide that information?
I don't need to provide that information.
Okay.
No.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
I don't answer
know
questions, man.
Okay.
Is this an immigration checkpoint
resident or anything like that? You're like a resident?
Is it like an immigration checkpoint or?
No, I'm trying to check
The
if
immigration
you have a Texas
stop?
driver license or identification.
Uh-huh.
Because you could also, be a resident and stuff like that.
Okay.
So,
Is it an immigration stop?
Because I'm looking at your card here, and that's why I'm inquiring about it.
Okay.
'Cause it is going to be a citation for speeding,
Okay,
sir.
go ahead and issue
So
the citation.
we put as much information on there,
Okay.
so it could identify you. You know what I mean?
Okay.
All right.
Got it.
Give me a chance. I'll be right back. Sir, how old are your kids?
I want to answer
You said
questions.
they're kids, right?
I want to answer questions.
Okay.
That's irrelevant to the stop, man.
No, it's because safety seats are important.
Okay.
For crashes.
Okay.
You might not agree with me, but I'm it's for public safety. So
Okay.
if you get in a crash, kids might be injured.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
All right, sir. The child in the back, she looks too young. Okay.
She looks too young.
Yeah, for a safety. She needs a safety seat.
Okay.
All right. And I know you don't want to identify your child, or if she's your child, okay.
Do they
That's
need
fine.
identification?
So
or?
for that, I'm sorry.
Do they need identification
Who?
the children?
No. Well, I was asking you. I wasn't asking for identification.
All right.
So it's gonna be a citation also for the child's safety. All right.
Okay.
So if you don't want to tell me the age of the child, you can let the judge know.
Okay.
It's gonna be Danny Dominguez here in Webb County. The information is provided there by signing. It's not admission of guilt, but you've been informed of the judge information. Could you just sign there for me, please?
Where's that? Here.
That's correct. You'll get a copy, don't worry.
Okay.
And your Mexican driver license? You'll be safe, sir.
Thank you.
So let's answer another important question. Are you required to give your social security number to law enforcement officers? Please be aware that you are not required to provide your social security number to police officers during a routine traffic stop. You should be mindful of potential risks associated with disclosing sensitive information to law enforcement officers. Obviously, your social security number is a valuable piece of personal data that can be exploited if they fall into the wrong hands. By exercising caution and discretion during your interaction with police officers, individuals can protect their privacy and safeguard their personal information from unauthorized access or misuse. Also, cops pressure individuals during a traffic stop to disclose the identity of their children in the back seat can create unnecessary tension and discomfort for the family. Keep in mind, the identity of passengers, including their children, is irrelevant to the purpose of the traffic stop unless there is a specific safety concern or suspicion of criminal activity. Let's continue.
So, is there anything I can help you with?
Sorry?
Is Is there anything I can help you with?
No, I'm just recording.
Recording?
Yeah.
I mean, this is a facility, like, that's a MTA, that's a NYPD facility.
I know exactly what
No,
this place
I
is.
understand you want to record, you can step on the cross street recording. We don't like people.
You don't like people?
No, we cannot. You cannot record.
I cannot?
Yeah. You
What
can
law
record
says I
the cross
can't
street.
record here?
You can, if you want, you can record the street from, you want to record the building cross street. Now, I would like you to step on the other side.
Can I have your name and badge?
Yeah, okay, no problem.
What is it? Say it for me.
Officer Lane. Officer
ma'am?
Lane. Excuse me?
Your name and badge number?
Yeah, right here. That is 23025. So I would like you,
And what's your rank? You're an officer?
Officer Lane. All right.
May I speak to your sergeant, please? Because I have every right to be here. I don't know why you're telling me.
No, I know. You have the right to be here, but you don't have the right to record.
I have a right to record. That's the First
can-
Amendment
no.
right.
Listen, sir, you can record the
I don't
cross street.
understand-
We have no
sorry,
problem with that.
I don't understand what you're trying to tell me.
So I'm telling
just
you
here
that
recording. This
you
is
can
not
record.
a crime. You understand
no,
that, right?
No, I understand.
Yeah, so
you
I
can
have every
record.
right to be here. This is public property.
Sir, I'm just giving you a warning. I'm not trying
what's
to
the warning?
disrespect.
What are you warning me
So
from
what I'm
doing?
telling you is,
It's
what
not
I'm
like
telling
I'm
you.
committing a crime. That's what I'm trying to
No,
understand.
but you are not allowed to record in.
But being not
NYPD
allowed to do something would mean that it's illegal. Are you saying that I'm not allowed, or is it illegal? Does the law prohibit it, or are you just saying I'm not allowed because you don't want me to?
Yeah, our regulation prohibits you recording.
Alright, but what's
over
the
here.
actual code? The code in the penal code. Do you have a code? Can you cite the code for me?
So we were telling you, we're asking you to. Across street you can record, but you are not
How you
allowed to
doing?
record over here.
Are you an officer too?
What's going on, bro? How you doing?
I'm just recording here, and they're coming up to me saying that I
Yeah,
can't
because you
record.
know you can't record in the
No, I know I
precinct,
can.
bro.
The Supreme Court has said I can record
you know
anywhere
you
in
cannot
public.
record inside the precinct.
Sir,
you can't record
the
outside the
Supreme
precinct.
Court
This is a
has
police
ruled in
facility.
many-
You
it's
know
still
that
it's
already.
still public
You
property.
know that already.
I know it's public
You
property.
tell me what's public
Alright.
about this. Everything
What's
here
public?
is a precinct.
Is this open to
Everything
the public?
here. Everything here is a
All you
precinct.
have to answer is this open to the
Do
public?
you have to file a police report?
Is this open to the
Do
public?
you have to file a police report?
Is this open to the public?
Do you have to file a police
I'm not
report?
answering any of your
Is there
questions.
something that
Is
we
this
can
open
help
to
you
the
with?
public?
Is there something that we can help you
me
with?
by stop
Okay.
infringing on my First
Sir,
Amendment right and
sir,
allow me to
listen
keep
me.
recording.
All right, even though you are in MTA, you are in NYPD facility, you have to follow certain regulations.
I don't have to follow anything other
No,
than the
sir.
law, sir. The
Sir.
law says I can record in
Sir,
public.
I would like you to step on the other side to record if you want to. Otherwise, you have to
Alright.
turn off your camera.
Are you
Allowed
speaking
to
of
record, sir.
policy? Is that what you're talking about? Your policy?
Yes.
Is policy law? Is policy law?
Policy,
That's a yes or no
But
question.
you have to follow our policy.
I don't have to
Once
because
you stand,
I'm not a police
no, you
officer.
Do.
No, I have to
You
follow
do.
the law
You have to
everywhere
follow
I go.
our own policy. You cannot
Is that a
even.
sergeant coming out here? Hi, sir. Are you a sergeant?
No, you alright?
He's trying to tell me to stop recording. This is public property. You can let him know that I have every right to record here. It's really simple. I mean, it's not even an argument. I'm not a police officer, so your policy, I'm not covered by it. You understand what I'm saying? I'm covered by the law, the Constitution, and the laws, the Penal Code of New York State. Not your policy. It doesn't apply to me. That's not the rules I follow. Second of all, law and the Constitution and Supreme Court decisions override any policy that you're speaking of. You took an oath to uphold the Constitution. The Supreme Court has said recording in public is perfectly legal and constitutional. So I don't understand why you'd be even telling me this. Thank you very much, sir.
Let's go.
Thank you. I just wanted some B-roll footage.
Left in here and left in here.
Just recording, man.
Yeah, you can.
I'm just recording.
That's fine.
Thank you.
First off, we may have some things to fix, but I love my country. I'm not a hater of any other country, but the last person I'm gonna let infringe on my First Amendment rights is someone that can barely speak our language. Also, keep in mind, policy will never trump the law. Several recent court decisions have recognized the First Amendment right to film and record police-citizen interactions. Primary example is Glick versus Cuniff. Simon Glick was arrested by police officers after he attempted to record officers' interaction with a young black male on the Boston Commons. After the charges were dismissed, Glick sued, alleging a violation of his First Amendment rights. The First United States Circuit Court of Appeals held that Glick had clearly established the right to film police officers in public.
Okay, did you get their name?
I got everything I need. You got any ID on you?
I don't have it on me, no.
Okay, you know your social or anything like that?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Okay.
What time did they call?
They just called. What's your social?
What, I mean, what, am I suspect in a crime, or you just want to run me for warrants, or like what?
I'm going to run you because I had a report you was walking in the road, and now I have to deal with you, so I got to find out who you are.
Okay, well, who are you? You haven't told me who you are yet.
Trooper Wilcox.
Wilcox?
Ohio State Highway Patrol.
Okay.
Cruiser there and everything.
You want to trade social numbers? I'll give you my social.
I'll
Give me
my
yours.
social security number now.
Well, why should I give you mine then?
Cooperate with me, or this can go downhill real quick. It's real simple.
Well, it's already kind of went downhill.
Call.
You know, just walk
That's all I got to do. I'm following up on a call, and you're going to be on your way here shortly as long as I find out who you are.
Crossing the road, that's a crime? I mean,
you were said to be dancing in the road.
I wasn't dancing in the road. Yeah, I wasn't dancing in the road. It seems like a...
I have a Unit 20 here. He's being difficult. Don't want to give information. Recording stop. What's your name?
All right, so you're Wilcox. My last name's Kroll. K-R-O-L.
K-R-O-L.
Yep. What's your name?
Wilcox.
Okay, well, I'm Kroll.
Okay. What's your first name?
What's your first name?
We're not going to play this game, buddy.
Well, then, this isn't my choice.
I have to give you, but my name.
This isn't my choice.
Wilcox.
But I have to give you my name?
Yes, because you're out here walking on the road. I got to call you in the road, so I got to follow up.
I'm walking through the store.
Okay.
Well, shouldn't you follow up on reports of crimes? Like,
That's what I'm following up on.
Walking down the road's a crime?
Walking in the road is a crime.
Okay.
And I have the right to ID you if you're out walking on the road. Now, you can give me your name so I can check you, and we can all be on our way. And I don't care if you walk to the store. I don't care at all. I don't care where you walk to, but when I got to follow up on something, I have to follow up.
You don't have to, but it's not a crime. Why are you following up on somebody crossing the road?
You're in the middle of the road causing a hazard.
Across the road.
It's a crime if you're in the road causing a hazard.
I look both ways. I cross the road.
Creating a hazard, or nobody would have called.
Well, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that.
I'm pretty sure about that, or I wouldn't be out here dealing.
So, did you get their name?
Yeah, our dispatcher has everything.
Okay. So, will they be like contacted and let known that like I'm good, or?
No, they don't need to know anything other than they called it in, and I'm following up.
Well, then what is the result of the follow up if you're not going to get back to them? Like, I just don't understand.
Okay. What's that?
Like, it just doesn't make sense. Like,
what doesn't make sense?
That you're investigating this if it's not a crime. Like,
you was walking in the road.
I crossed the road.
I
crossed the road,
and I'm following up on it.
Okay, you should say call back if you have a crime. Like if you see them crossing the road's a crime. You're telling me crossing the road is not a crime. It's not a crime.
Dancing in the road is a crime.
Okay, well
that's what I
wasn't dancing, and shouldn't a motorist?
Do you got ID on you or not?
I do not have an ID on me.
Okay. No. Do you want to give me your name, or do you want to continue to be difficult?
Do you want to give me your name?
I already gave you my name.
I gave you my name, Kroll.
All he'll give me is his last name's Kroll.
I'll trade information.
Still not willing to cooperate.
No, I'm willing to trade
information.
We'll trade information.
My social and everything else. Being extremely difficult.
That's not difficult.
You're being difficult, sir. Yes, you are.
You're being difficult.
You are being extremely difficult.
This clip proves that a cop can stop anyone to start harassing them. I need your name and social security number to see who you are because you're walking in the road. How petty is that? That's a shame. It's important for us civilians to know how to handle these petty types of cops. First thing is, I would never admit to anything a cop is accusing me of, even if I did walk in the road. He needs to do an investigation, have proof, and be able to reasonably articulate a crime has been committed before I give up my Fourth Amendment rights. Remember, it's best to request a supervisor immediately if the cop you're dealing with seems to be overstepping his boundaries. But most importantly, know what to say or plead the fifth and remain silent. I'm not sure what happened to the rest of the video, but it cut there. Remember, protecting your Fourth Amendment right is not being difficult like this uneducated officer claims. Let's continue.
Can't record inside.
I'm not inside.
You can't record inside the building, all right?
Yes, I can.
All right, no, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Do it again. I'm locking you up. All right? You can't record inside the building.
That is a violation of my First Amendment rights, sir.
If you think that, then that's all right.
In fact, the law you're breaking right now is PA 185301.
Read the sign right there. Right there.
Yeah. Am I inside?
You're recording people inside the building, yes.
Am I inside?
You can't record inside.
You can't, Judge, you can't say anything about what I do outside. I'm on the sidewalk. Doesn't matter. Anything I can view from a public viewpoint, I can film. The eyes cannot transplant. This is where I'm standing on the street is public. If I can see it, then I can film it. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Does not matter. If I can see it, I can film it. You don't want me to film in there? Block the whole thing off so I can't see. I am not. You're breaking law by telling me I can't. PA 185301, official suppression of civil rights.
Nobody wants anybody videotaped here. The defendants in here don't want their face taken either.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
It does not. It doesn't matter. I am not inside.
Listen to me.
Does not matter. This is a public easement. No, it doesn't. It 100% does not matter.
You can videotape out here. Don't videotape inside the store.
It's still going to happen.
The sign on the door.
Nobody wants this.
That sign on the door only matters inside, not on the street. Go f yourself, tyrant. Happy fuck the cops day, everybody!
Once you videotape inside this building, you're breaking the law.
I am not breaking the law. You need to go educate yourself.
It's not a public area.
Outside is.
Outside is, but you're videotaping inside the building.
Doesn't matter. If I can see it from a public viewpoint, I can film it. Smith v. Cummings.
Keep in mind, cops will lie to try to intimidate you so they can control you, so they can tell you to do exactly what they want you to do. I think we all should stay up to date on our state, local, and federal laws so we can have some power behind our words if we find ourselves in a situation where a cop is trying to give you unlawful orders. Also, you heard Pennsylvania mention Smith v. Cummings. What that is case law out of the 11th Circuit, where 3 judges ruled that citizens do have the right to videotape police officers in public during their course of duty. Luckily, in America, you can't trespass what the eyes can see from public. Unfortunately, some cops will try.
Lobby entrance, is that the new building? I'll have to walk around. There's quite a few buildings out here. Oh, very interesting.
How you doing?
All right, how are you?
Doing some work?
Sorry?
Are you doing some work?
I am, making a video about Costco.
Oh,
Sorry?
About?
Oh, just about Costco.
Just about Costco?
Yeah.
What's the topic about?
Oh, I can't share that yet.
You can't share
It's a
that
surprise. Yeah.
All right, so you're a private property.
Oh, which part?
All this, the sidewalk is ours.
This is?
Yeah, the sidewalk's ours. This road.
Well, I'll just be around here just taking some video and photos.
Right.
And yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
That's silly. So they build the building out of glass and then don't want anybody to look. Oh. That's interesting.
Hey, what's up, man?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad, thanks.
What are you doing?
Making a video.
Of?
Costco.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. You shouldn't be doing that.
Why do you say that?
It's private property.
Why
are you taking a video?
This is really funny. So,
Yeah.
which part is private?
Yeah.
Like, which part is private?
Well, who are you, though?
None of your business.
All right.
That's so weird. Like, I've never gone up to somebody, like Kevin, right? I don't, why would you come up to somebody and ask who I am? That's weird, right?
Oh, yeah, but you're taking pictures of people.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's weird.
Well, you guys are doing the same thing.
Where?
So,
our property. So we're protecting our property.
But it's not. That's not your property. So this is all public. This is all public. And, in fact, this is a public right-of-way. It appears that your GIS survey got wrong. Hello. Oh, hold on. Ah! Sorry.
So are you being audio and video recorded?
Oh, yeah, all good.
Okay.
Okay. All good.
So any reason why you're recording today?
Yeah, I'm gonna be nice to you. None of your fucking business.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, this is private property, so you need to leave.
What tells you that?
You're on private property right now, you need to leave.
You need to call a supervisor.
No, you're on
Yes, you need to call a supervisor.
Okay, there's a supervisor right there.
Oh, excellent.
You're on private property, you need to leave.
As a matter of fact, they just told me these little dots right here are from their GIS survey that this is public, this is private. This is showing on the Issaquah Gov website, this is public. As a matter of fact, that is what you call a right-of-way, which means that any constitutionally protected activity would be allowed. Now, if you have somewhere...
Pretty sure, isn't this street
No,
private
no, no.
too?
It is after, what is it? What, it's a 60th?
It is, but it's a common thoroughfare.
I can show you on the survey. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to, you know, but I'm doing my story. I'm just creating my own. I don't understand why I'm being harassed. It's kind of weird. I might be weird. That's kind of weird too. It's Simon?
Mm-hmm.
Simon? Okay. And do you have a badge number?
No.
No badge number, okay. No, like, other identifier?
No, just a name.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, you're free to leave.
Yep, also free to stay.
Okay.
Now, can I ask, is there a unit station here for full-time security?
We're not going to answer questions.
Okay, so I have to go do a public information request in order to get the information as a taxpayer that I'm entitled to? That's silly.
I'm not going to answer any questions.
You're not going to answer any questions?
No.
Great.
Are you sure that this is public?
I can show you. Why the f would you ask them?
Because I feel like this is not public.
I don't give a f what you feel like. Look it up before you try enforcing a trespass against a citizen exercising their First Amendment rights, violating my First Amendment f***ing rights. Look it up before you come in here. What the f are you doing? I told you I'm not trying to be a dude, but like, come on, man. Jesus Christ. All I'm doing is making a story about Costco, minding my own goddamn business. Was there like a specific complaint that I was trespassing? Got it. Yep. I got you. Yeah. All good. Is it Steinman or Simon? S-E-I or S-T-E-I? You're not gonna hold on.
I told you that you're free to leave. So.
As are you. Thank you for the information. I'm just gonna go right around you guys. Not a threat. Not a threat. 73822 David, unit 133, and that is the complaint right there. Sorry, can I just grab your name and badge? Or you don't have that?
Sims, yeah, that's
Sims.
right.
Thank you, sir.
Sims.
Thank you. Now, can you tell me, was there any other complaint? Was it just a concern of trespassing?
I don't think he wants to answer questions either.
I don't. You can answer him for him.
I just
Jesus
did.
Christ.
I'm here as a backup.
Just a backup unit. That's all good. And, sir, what was your name? You came from Costco. It's Fairbanks. Perfect. And,
Yeah.
So now you're on private property.
God, what in the look.
On their driveway that isn't access to the public, you're on private property.
So
No, let's.
the corporate office says that they own all of this property, so you are trespassing.
So you
have
want to write me a citation for it? Let's do it. Let's fucking do it. No, wait. You want to write me a citation for it?
I'm telling you that you are on private property and you have to leave.
Here is your own city's government information. Just gonna offer this for you. Okay, Lake Drive, right? That's the intersection right there. You don't have to. You can look this up. It's not me. Yeah. Okay. Right here. Public, and right of way. This would be right of way. So if I was ADA, I had a need for ADA, of course. This would be wheelchair accessible. It would be a right of way, even though, for example, it's the same exact thing with Microsoft property. They may control some of it, but it's still publicly accessible. They cannot restrict to the general member of the public. But I'm all about it. Let's write me a citation, please.
We would never give you the satisfaction, man.
No,
but understand
perfect.
this. This is a business.
Yep.
You're wearing ski goggles and clearly a disguise.
Oh, what do you call it a disguise? I'm ugly.
And that is suspicious to people that work here.
Okay.
And so if you were here doing a story or whatever that's legitimate and not trying to bait people into doing something.
Bait people. I have been asking people, they don't want to answer.
Yes, I understand that. Because think about how you look and how you're coming off and their
because
place
I'm
of work
ugly?
where they should be safe. No, because you're wearing a disguise.
Hold on. I can't see it. 117. Are you the one in this? You have that unit?
Yeah, that's the one I'm driving today.
Okay.
118.
Thank you. All right, and is that the supervisor?
No.
You are. You're a sergeant. Oh, you're a sergeant.
I'm not the supervisor on right now.
Okay. So you're going to trespass me from public property or a public easement?
You're on private property.
Okay,
right
so
now.
this is... So even though, right, it would be unreasonable to expect anybody to walk through bushes.
We are not going to get into this conversation with you.
I mean, if you want to trespass me.
We're not going to trespass.
We're telling you that
we're
you need
telling
to
you
move.
that you need to move on.
Or, I mean, are you going to arrest me if I don't? That's the question.
No, we wouldn't give you satisfaction.
Well, that's why I'm wondering what we're doing.
That would help your story. That would help.
It would help my story. You are absolutely right.
It's not our first rodeo.
Yeah, well, then you understand.
I understand what you're doing.
Yeah.
It's not very cool.
And this is why we
Neither
don't
is
answer
this.
questions.
And I respect that. I completely respect, although there is a little bit of a difference, like as a public servant, which is not a derogatory term. Don't get me wrong, that's a wonderful thing to do. Member of the public, a private person versus someone in an official capacity, where I can get all your information through a public records request. It's just a matter of like, do you want to be forthcoming with it? It's like, why make it difficult?
What have we not been forthcoming with?
Call. Why are you guys here? Which part is public or private? Or harassing me because I specifically, I'm just going to show you where my camera.
I'm not harassing you, buddy. I told you we were free to leave.
Cannot get a supervisor? We'll just confirm. So, sir, sorry, can I grab your name?
Officer Hancock.
Hancock.
1234.
Why do you? I gotta tell James. Wait, can I ask you? And I see you have different. You know, you've got a nice shiny badge. You've got a matte badge. Why do you have a badge number and not everybody else does? You said 234 is your?
No, that's not what I said.
Sorry, what was your?
I said 1234.
1234. Thank you. Why does nobody else have a badge number? It's a straightforward question.
I like your beard.
Thank you. I like yours.
So is he refusing to ID at this time?
Yes.
Yes. You don't want to ID yourself?
That's correct.
Okay.
Unless I've been suspected of committing a crime.
I think the issue.
No, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Sorry.
I think the issue is they're going to want you trespass from the private property.
Excellent.
So in order for me to do so, I need to know who we're trespassing.
I'd like to ask again for a goddamn supervisor. Now you can ask me for a minute. Is that what? No, that's a security guard. I'd like to ask for a supervisor. I think I've asked 6 times now.
Okay.
There's already one here.
And what is the reason?
There was not. He said he wasn't.
I don't understand.
Because there's a discrepancy in understanding between what is public right of way, which means that I have access as a member of the public,
right?
So long as I'm not committing any other crime,
right?
Right? Being weird is not a crime, and what is actual public and private property. So this is a public right of way.
We're looking that up. We're pulling up what's called a GIS, which is our system.
No, that's perfect.
And we're looking that up.
Thank you.
But I can tell you right here.
Yep.
This certainly isn't.
All right.
You're on Costco property right here.
Let's agree to disagree.
Okay. Well, I'm standing with a bunch of Costco members right now, saying this right here is Costco property. If you were on the street, that's a different story.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've asked 6 times for a supervisor. Just letting you know.
Okay. We've already said that.
Now he claims that he is not the supervisor here because he's not working in an official capacity.
Okay, he's on the phone with one, so just hang tight.
All right. All good. You work for us. We the fucking people. You work for.
I'm explaining to you about the property line.
That's great.
The owner, clearly Costco Wholesale. You are on.
You
Costco
work for the
property.
people. You are here to protect people's constitutional rights above all else. You have no duty to protect the public, but you do have a duty to protect our constitutional rights. And the fact that you don't take that fucking seriously is disgusting. You should not have a fucking badge. And apparently neither should you.
We've had them for years, man. We're not giving these up.
I know. That's exactly what the problem is. A police union that will protect you.
We're clear on who owns the property and he's refused to leave.
Go ahead.
Can we proceed with the trespass?
Would you
can trespass him when you tell him he's trespassed?
You're trespassed.
Now,
officially, if you don't leave, I'm gonna have them arrest you.
Okay.
All right.
Here's the deal. We don't agree where the property lines are.
I just showed you.
I don't
It's
care.
clear as-
I don't give a.
King County.
I'm done
website.
talking to you.
Yeah.
Steve.
All right. So let's go ahead and proceed.
Are you the supervisor? Like, are you the acting? May I? Yeah. Here's the deal. We have already consistently found that apparently these officers believe that that piece of property where you can see the smooth brick, right?
I got you.
Yeah.
I would say that's probably a sidewalk.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. He's saying it's anything after the pink. I'm saying anything within that is right of way. There is a limit of right of way. I'd have to pull up the statue. Not going to do that right now.
No, I agree. The sidewalk is the public passageway.
Thank you. And I'm just trying to find that common ground. I believe that it would be unreasonable for somebody in a wheelchair to go from there, hop their happy ass over here, where I also believe this is public. Do we disagree on that?
Yes.
We do.
What are you doing here?
I was making a video.
Of what?
Of just Costco. They got a new building here.
Okay.
It's interesting. And I'm being told to leave. I'm not done with my tap.
So there's a problem. Like, I'm agreeing with this. He's on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Okay. I can't make him leave a sidewalk.
This is our private sidewalk, though. I can
But
show
it's
you on
God, Steve.
He can get on the road all he
can't go on the road. He can go on the sidewalk, which is also a public passageway through you.
Yeah. So, yeah, you can go on the road. You can stand out in the road all you want.
As can you, Steve.
Hopefully you won't get hit.
God.
It doesn't work.
Thank you.
So,
mark it down. I asked for you for 10 times, but they refuse it. Okay. I'm sorry. It's Lucht? Lucht. Sorry.
Good German name.
Lucht. Yep. Do you have a badge number?
1121.
Thank you. I'm gonna f your name there. Can I ask, does every officer with Issaquah have a badge number?
Yeah.
And is there a, I haven't looked it up, so is there a policy to identify when asked?
They identify by name, yeah.
Just by, okay. So not badge number, I'm just asking.
Who did you ask for a badge number and they didn't give it? Do you want to give it to them?
No, because I don't care. You have my name.
But you're here.
It's the same thing.
You see,
There's only one A Stein.
That's just, it's pride, man. It's pride. Why do you have pride?
Why do you?
So how long are you going to be here? Can I ask that?
I'm 20, 30 minutes. I'm just grabbing some footage, that's all. Yeah.
Where's your pride for all this?
My pride? I don't
you have so much pride that you won't just leave.
I'm doing a goddamn job. That's not pride.
Sure
now this part is though.
This
when I know a fact.
I'm pretty sure whoever you're working for, this is not.
Wait, what? It's not what? They don't want it?
I wouldn't think so.
Okay.
Do you think I like you? Because I don't know why you're sitting here shooting the breeze with me, buddy.
Because I'm very well. We're all paying your salary.
Thank you.
Yes.
I appreciate it.
But when you're off duty and you're paying for another officer's salary, doesn't that concern you how much taxes we pay? That doesn't bother you?
No.
That's crazy. That is. I think you're being sarcastic. That's the problem. Keep my distance so you don't,
I'm just walking.
That's all right. On a public sidewalk, right?
I know, I'm in the public too. So.
There we go. We agree. So you're failing to identify when requested by a member of the public to accurately identify. You have not given a badge number. And you've not, as far as I know, again, I'm going to play it back. I've asked you for...
I don't have to answer your questions. I think that's where there's a disconnect.
I think that is where there's a disconnect, because I believe when you are requested by a member of the public, you have to identify.
I'm identified by my uniform.
But you're what?
Identified by my uniform.
As what? How do I individually identify you? I don't, but you have a pen in the way. Maybe you don't know. You have a pen in the way.
No, I don't.
What is that? A flashlight? Okay, you have a pen light?
No.
It's Steinman. It's got to be Steinman. Now, can I ask, do you know the police chief's name, and can I get that? Or IAD?
Crap.
Can't get, Fresh out.
Again, I don't have to answer your question.
Okay, and if I want to put in a records request with you willing to do that?
To do what?
Well, I'd like to request the CAD logs. I'd like to request the calls, unless you're with you. I'd like to put in a public records request. So you are going to say no to a public records request from a member of the public.
I don't know who you are.
You don't have to.
Well, then who do I give all the information?
I will give you my email. You ready?
No.
So you are refusing to take my records request?
I'm not.
Okay, so you're willing to take it now?
Yeah.
All right. So email is fieldinvestigations@proton.me. I would like the CAD information. I'd like the call log, unless you guys are using Norcom. I can grab it from there. Do you know, is it just private, like through the city? Yeah, fun. I'd like your supervisor information. I'd like your salary. I'd like your work phone number. I would like your position of tenure, any disciplinary action. I understand that might be exempt. I'd still like it. Let me think.
I need something in writing.
No, you don't. That's the fun part.
Well, because I don't know what I'm doing.
You're going to go down that route. So you need something in writing, even though the Washington Administrative Code and the RCW states that I can do it verbally.
Okay.
No, I'm asking you.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't do public records requests.
Yeah, oh, yes, you do. As a public employee, any public employee can take my records request.
Okay.
Now, you may not fulfill my request.
I won't.
I know that it's a long walk, but definitely worth it. I had to be like this. So you've been like this for a long time, huh? You can't tell me there's not going to be other complaints about you.
I don't know.
I know you don't. That's the part. You should be proud of who you are. Proud to serve the community.
So should you.
Why do you say that? Based on what?
I don't think that the way you act would be very proud.
I don't need to be proud.
The same.
I act with integrity.
Okay. Well, then
You should.
I do.
Is that not on your cards? Public respect, accountability, integrity, those are not your values?
I'm just standing here.
Oh, I know. I got it. Wasting taxpayer resources.
On you.
I know, that's my whole point. Can I ask though, why do you need the ID? Let me know. Gotta know. And do you guys use Norcom or is it just within your department?
Okay, so you're gonna stay on the sidewalk here?
Can I ask you, do you guys use Norcom? Or for your dispatch and
we have our own dispatch on it.
It's your own, okay. That's all I'm asking. Is it easier to go in like for a complaint? Do I go into the department? Do I call somebody up? Or do you have a card for someone I can, with an IED or something like that, if I may? Or do you have a card? Thank you. Thank you.
If you have a complaint, you get it to me and I'll get it to the people that need it.
Okay.
Okay?
I will, I'll be down there in a bit. Oh, you're a corporal.
I'm a sergeant.
Oh,
If that's
old
an
card,
it's
old
an
card, old card. Oh, good.
But all the information's the same.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Are you ready?
Thank you.
So I'd ask you this question.
Sure.
Why the disguise?
I'm ugly. I'm ugly.
So am I.
No, I know. But it's to protect my identity. So when I'm making a story, nobody can go, oh.
Why would you protect your identity if you're making a story?
Why wouldn't I?
I would ask, why would you?
It's just within my liberties.
Okay.
Yeah. As an ugly people don't want to see this face. I don't even want to see it. Might as well cover it up.
Okay. Fair enough.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
You too.